What's up, guys? It's Sunny Mommy, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a very simple detox that you can use to get out the toxins through your feet. I have done this before and it works amazingly. However, this time I only used a fewer products, but I used baking soda, peroxide, and some Essence salts. And I'm going to use some essential oil. I like to use peppermint. I'm going to add that in later. But I basically just added 2 cups of everything to this. I want to say 2, 4, 6, 8. It's about 8 cups of water. So yeah, you can use however much you want. As you can see, it's bubbling all good because of the baking soda and peroxide. You can also add apple cider vinegar in it as well, but I don't have that right now. So I'm going to show you guys the end result when I get done. Alright, you guys, I've only been in here like less than 10 minutes and it's already clouding up. That is letting me know that I have a lot of toxins in my body. I think I mentioned it, but I used peppermint oil, essential oil, and if you use that as well, it's going to cause this tingling throughout your body, especially in your respiratory area. So don't be alarmed if is happening. It's very relaxing. I do feel relaxed right now. Yeah, I'm just really enjoying myself. I'm going to try to do this for up to an hour if my babies and my husband let me, Lord. But I'll be back. Alright, you guys, so I've been in this water a little over 25 minutes, and as you can tell, the water is very cloudy. I am aware that I have toxins within my body, so yeah, so far I feel good. I feel lightheaded, which is normal, to be honest, because this is a detox, okay? My stomach does feel a bit empty. So I guess majority of my toxins are within my stomach area. Yeah, so, oh yeah, and my respiratory area is still tingling, which is fine. But I'm going to try to do this more often because I need to, obviously. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are willing to try it, let me know your results and the essential oils that you used and how it affected your foot soak as well. So once again, hopefully you guys like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, by the way, when you are discarding your foot soap water, please, please, please do not put it in the sink nor the toilet. Coming from a psychic's point of view, you want to get that out of your home. You don't want it to come back up any way possible. So when it goes down the sink, it can just come right back up. The energy can just come right back up. When it goes down the toilet, the energy can just come right back up. So I suggest that you just dispose of it outside, far from your home, if you are willing to drive out. If not, then you can just put it out in like your backyard, like where the wood starts, or maybe in a outside drain if you can. Just do whatever you can, but do not get rid of it in your home, please.